Hello my fellow YouTubers, I'm back again. I made a Matt Tasty sauce about 3-4 months ago. I got loads and loads of views on it. Can't believe the response I got for that because I haven't got many subscribers. Anyway, I didn't actually make the burger, so I made a fresh batch of the Matt Tasty sauce last night. Basically, what I found is, if you see the video, I will put it in the description. It comes out a little bit watery for me. I don't know what they put in it to thicken it, but what I found is, if you just make the sauce and just put it in a little dish and then squirt some mayonnaise in there and just fold it in, it gives you that thick sauce. I just find it better on the burger because if it's too runny, it just falls out and just soaks the burger. So right, let's run through the ingredient. Right, we've got a nice beef burger here. I don't know if you can see it. It's probably about 3-4 millimeters, quarter of an inch maybe. It does look big. Oh, there's my hand, but it will shrink and hopefully fit the burger because the McDonald's burger, it does hang over the side, doesn't it? So, and then we've got the. Look, you see how thick that is now. I put some mayonnaise in there and just folded it through. That is the same. I'm well happy with that. In the traditional burger, it has the tomatoes, the raw onion, and then just some mild cheese. I can't think what cheese what it's called, but I will put it in the description. And then just normal bread roll. This probably going to take from start to finish, by the thickness of that meat, it's going to take, I don't know, probably 5 minutes to make. If you make this at home and put that sauce on it, right, with these ingredients, I'll tell you something, you will get such good feedback. It's a really tasty burger. Right, let's get to the cooking. I've just got the pan on. It's on a medium heat. You don't want to have it too hot really. I don't want the crispiness on the bottom of the meat. I just want it cooked through. So let's put the meat in. Like I said, guys, doesn't take very long at all. That's the kind of sizzle I want. Right, what I like to do now is I just like to flip it because it's sealed on one side. I like to seal it like that. I'm just going to give it 2 minutes on that side. Once you've flipped it, just give it 2 minutes to get a little bit more colour. See how you get the blood coming to the surface here. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it again. What I've just done, I've just poured away most of the oil out of the pan. I like it a little bit dry. I'm going to flip it again, that's what I want. So now, I'll put the cheese on. Right, my burger's cooking away. What I'll do is put that there. and go for my tasty sauce. I've got to be generous for this. Place thy burger. Tomatoes. Onions. These onions, this is what makes it. If you don't have these onions on it, it won't taste the same. And then put the top on there. But there it is, guys. Alright, fair enough. It doesn't look like McDonald's. Sometimes it does when it all comes squashed like they normally do. It never looks like the picture, but that there is a Mac taster. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you're seeing, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. Share the Mac Tasty sauce. Get it all shared. Right, for next time, I'll see you later.